Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh, I'm tired, really. I'm tired, really. I'm going to the uphill. I came from the down, really. This is the down, really. I will show you. See, that's it. That is the way I came from. And then only I want to take a video this lion. I want to take a video this lion. And then the other side of the castle, see. See the lion, the guard, the Lion Guard. Not the Lion King. This is a Lion Guard. See? And then this is the side of the castle. I'm here now outside because we have to going back home. So I came from here. I coming up first before Andreas, he will following me together with the car. So this is it. See, I'm sitting here. My God, I'm so tired. There is a dove on the top of the lion. See the dove on the top of the head of the lion. See, that is the lion statue. They make a statue here. So this, I have to call Andreas and then we go home. So this is it until 3 minutes only. Okay, bye-bye.